I hope you all are doing good. Today, on the first day of 2026, I wanted to bring a very important lesson to you. Lesson in the sense, this is what I have learned and applied over a period of time, and that's when I started seeing beautiful result into my life when it comes to abundance. So I wanted to share this message with you all. This is one thing that has helped me to attract anything and everything in my life. I'll just share my today's story. So today morning only, it's 1st of January, and I'm going on a holiday for a long time, like long period for 15 days. So I was like, I'm going on a holiday. I'm not going to work for 15 days. I don't know how am I going to earn. I have to give salary. I have to pay rent. I have to give a lot of stuff to marketing people, a lot of money, etc., etc. Okay. The moment that thought came to my mind, the next thought was, okay, God is there. Universe is there to take care of me. Sab ho jayega. That was my attitude. Now, this is what is called surrendering. Surrendering to the universe, God, whomsoever you believe. And you won't believe, right at 9:40, a lady called me. She said that, I want to come down to your office. I have some issue I want to discuss. On the first day, though, I had some different plans. I told her, okay, you come down at 11. She came sharp at 11. She shared her problem. She took therapy. She took crystals and a lot of remedies. And she paid me more than what is my rent. Now, this is what is power of surrendering. The next magical thing that has happened in my life today. So from past few days, I have been thinking of buying a sunglass. Although I have few, but I thought, okay, ghumne ja rahe, I'm going to a new place. Let me, get one. It was added in the cart, in the lens cart, but I was not sure. So I was like, let me not spend money. If I spend money, if I keep it there, then maybe the price will increase or it will go out of stock. Then I'll not have to buy. Okay. We went to the market today evening, and my husband, he showed me a glass and he asked me, do you want to take this? And I'm like, wow, what is this happening? On the first day of 2026, I'm manifesting everything that I wanted to manifest. Now the third thing, I bought the glasses. My husband gifted it to me and I was really very happy. The third thing, then after that we went to a restaurant. We were just sitting, sipping my hot drink, beverage that I have ordered. I was just thinking that, I actually ordered for a white dress, which was supposed to come on 5th, but it is coming on 7th. By the time it will come, I'll flew away to my destination. So I was like, I wanted to wear a white dress, but I am not getting it. Out of nowhere, one of my sister, she's my neighbor also, she sent me a voice note that, do you want to take one white dress? I have one white dress. I have not even shared with her, not even thought her in my dream that she would give me that dress. She said that I have a white dress and a navy blue dress. I would like to give both the dresses to you. I said, no, you can just give me the white dress. And I'm like, wow, what's happening, universe? So these are 3 beautiful stories, and there are many more miracles that has happened in my life over few years, over a period of few years. And that's happened when I started changing my thought process. And that is exactly what I wanted to share with you all. It's a very short story. It's my personal story. But why I wanted to share is because from this small story, we can take lessons that will help us to grow in our life. Now, on the first day, I really wish you that you manifest all your dreams. Take care, love you all, and do not forget to surrender, because you know what? We are just a dot that is not visible, even visible from the universe. Universe is so huge, and universe has so much of abundance that whatever you ask or whatever you feel, you can simply get it. Universe is full of abundance. With that message, I want to say just one thing, that I love you all.